really quick. This is a video sales funnel I built inside a Gohighlevel. So I want to show you how the step is work. So you can see the 5 of the funnel I built here. So let me open this funnel so you can see it. So this funnel have a 1, 2, 3. This is first step funnel. This one is opt-in page, this is a disqualified page, and this is a booking page with a thank you page for this particular funnel. So let's open this opt-in page to see how it look. So let's preview it in one step like this. So this page, as you can see, it pinpoints what people need here. So with a good heading and a subheading that explain briefly of what they need with a video here. So this is a video sales funnel. So and I had CTA here so people can take action after they watch this video finish. So they can take action immediately. So I had a review here so people can be able to see what others are saying about this particular service. So I had this point here as well and another CTA button. And yes, it's 100% mobile responsive. Let's check the mobile and see how it look on the mobile phone. As you can see, it's 100% mobile responsive. So this is step 1 of the funnel. So if I go to disqualified page, you'll be able to see this disqualify as well. Let me preview it. So what I mean about that disqualified page is, let me close this one now. This CTA button, it will take them to give them some survey form. So under this survey form, they'll be able to select what we want. And if they don't qualify for our service, then it will give them this disqualified page. But if they qualify, then it will give them this booking page so they can book with us. Now, if I go to this page and I click this get started, you will see it have this form. This is not a standard Gohighlevel form. This is a custom form that I built here. So if I click on maybe 1 to 2 and I click on 10K to $30,000 and $5,000. So now, ready to invest $2,000 to scale your business. If I say yes, it will take me to this booking page. But if I click no, it will take me to this disqualify page. That means this particular user is not qualified for our service. So that is how it works. Let me click no now so you can see. So the no will know. You see now, this is a disqualified page. And you can still have option to select this $297 per month offer under this one. So this is how this funnel work. So, and also booking page, if they are qualified, it will take them to this booking page. Let me show you now. So if I click this button and this one, and I click yes, so it will ask me to fill the form. So after this form, after I finish this form then it automatically redirects me to this booking page. So after the booking page, then thank you page. So this how I don't want this video to long. So this is how this video says letter is work. So if you have any funnel, either VSL funnel, complete long funnel, short funnel, webinar funnel, we are ready for you to take your project and manage it as our home so you can get success that Gohighlevel is promising your business. Thank you very much. So if you want a video sales letter funnel like this for your business, so inbox me and let's talk.